60. Tapos, meron ding rotation dito sa lower part of the waist. Kick that far. Move. Tag dito. Yan. Yun. Kick to the side that far. Double jointed yung knee and ball joint yung paa with toe articulation. Very nice. Sa accessories naman, yun nga, meron kang dalawang heads, 10 na hands, and a base, and 2 holsters. Yan. Stig nito mga ma'am, sir. Alright, so yun ang ating review ng City Toys na red version ng Daredevil na action figure. Super cool poses yung magagawa nyo dito kasi sobrang ganda na articulation niya. Okay, buksan naman natin tong black na version. I think pareho lang siya. Pareho lang. Pareho lang to. Magkaiba lang yung kulay ng suit. Okay, out of the packaging, ito yung black Daredevil na suit. Very nice, matte. Matte yung finish niya. Hindi siya super shiny. Same lang din. So you have the empty button, empty holster, single button, and then double button. 2 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Asan yung isang hand? Ito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 hands, 2 alt heads, 1 figure, 2 buttons na mero attached na wire. Super cool. Alright, same lang dun sa previous na Daredevil. I think, yeah, parehong-pareho lang yung mold na ginamit. 6 inches tall din siya. Tapos, different colored plastic lang yung ginamit dito sa Daredevil na suit na to. So, you have the DD logo in red, the belt in red, and the holster in red. But everything is the same, black. Ang difference lang niya, black suit si Daredevil dito sa black version. Okay? And then you also have the red eyes. Very, very nice, well-made action figure by City Toys. So yeah, if you have the extra resources to buy this figure, go do it. Sa Shopee, 1,400 only. If you're a Marvel collector or a Daredevil fan, or if you like this figure, go do it mga ma'am sir. Sobrang ganda. Okay? So yun lang mga ma'am sir, that's it. Yun ang ating review ng Daredevil na action figures na to. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.